What's up, my fellow tubues? Today is a new day and we're finally wrapping the C5 Corvette front bumper. I'm excited and I'm also very nervous because I really hope I do not mess this up. Because one, vinyl is expensive and it's just takes a lot of time. So I'm definitely going to be taking my time on this project. But before I start, I need to put the knifeless tape where we did these inlays. So then once we wrap everything over, we get a nice clean cut and hopefully it will be seamless. It will be hard to see. So let's get cracking. We have a lot of work to do today. And I already sprayed the car again with 70% isopropyl alcohol. It's I recommend just keep making sure the car is clean so that vinyl sticks on nice, especially down below. It's crucial to make sure that is clean down below so that vinyl sticks. For me, I won't really have much of an issue because I have the front lip that will be holding the vinyl as well. But just a precaution, right? Make sure everything is clean. All right, let's get this started. All right, guys, we're all finished up here with the knifeless tape for the inlays. Let's see if you guys can see that. I ran the tape all the way around, just roughly 1/4 of an inch on the inlay. Did that. This one is done as well. The DRLs. And also the other side. So we're going to make sure that this bumper is clean one more time and we'll start wrapping. Hope you guys enjoy the video. All right. Oh, the bumper is wrapped. It's pretty good. I just have to start cutting some holes, trimming, and I'll show you guys how to use the knifeless tape. Not gonna lie to you guys, this was difficult, at least for me. I was getting very frustrated. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. Oh my god, that was definitely a challenge. Definitely a challenge. Oh, see you guys soon when I'm doing the knifeless tape. I'll show you guys how that works, and hopefully everything will be okay, because today this film is fighting me like crazy. All right, let's continue. Alright guys, I said I was going to show you how the knifeless tape works. So you can see where we laid the knifeless tape, that little line there. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. And out. Hopefully we get a nice clean cut and it looks good. So I'm gonna put you on the tripod and we're gonna cut this, see how it looks. And that's how it looks using the knifeless tape. You can, is the camera picking it up? Yeah, you can see the seam right there all the way along. So that's how you use the knifeless tape, guys. I'm gonna continue banging this out and we'll see you when it's finished. Alright, finally done wrapping the front bumper. Guys, this was so difficult for me, you have no idea. No idea. Roughly took me 6.5 hours. I'm exhausted. It came out really nice. Sorry I wasn't able to film the whole thing. My battery's at 15% right now. Just want to capture everything for you guys. This was challenging. Wow, never sweat so much in my life. It came out really nice. I gotta wrap my C5 Corvette plate. I gotta wrap that and then put that on, and then I gotta put in the Z06 grills. This is not in, I just placed it there. And yeah, looks looks really nice. Really nice, but lots of work. Wow. If you guys enjoyed the content, please subscribe, leave a like on the video, hit me up with any comments. I'll try my best to help you out with this, but this was... I'm going straight to bed. I am tired. Anyways, next video, I'm going to be wrapping the pop-up headlights. I want to get that done, put those in. I'll show you guys how to wrap a door handle. And I want to get the front lip wrapped in carbon fiber. So we still have lots of work to do. So hopefully I see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.